Hello everyone, welcome to Physics World by MS. My name is Sangram Kesri. In this video, we are going to discuss about moment of inertia. Inertia, in case of linear motion, is the property of inability of a body to change its state of rest or of uniform motion without the help of an external force. A corresponding property in rotational motion is called moment of inertia. While linear motion is produced by a force, rotational motion is produced by a torque, जिसे हम moment of force भी कहते हैं. Okay, so like I said, we are comparing here inertia with moment of inertia. Inertia linear motion में था, moment of inertia rotational motion में है. While inertia depends only upon mass of the body, okay. Moment of inertia depends upon the mass of the body as well as the mass distribution okay. So let's get back to inertia once again. According to Newton's second law of motion, F is equals to ma. So from here we can calculate acceleration is equals to force upon mass. So for a given force we can see that the acceleration of a body is inversely proportional to mass of the body. That means what? अगर हम mass को बढ़ाते हुए जाएंगे तो acceleration घटती हुई जाएगी. This is called inverse relation. Okay, so for a heavier mass the acceleration will be less. So क्या होता है? Acceleration जो किसे denote करता है? It denotes the state of motion of a body. क्योंकि हमें पता है that acceleration is nothing but change in velocity with respect to time. And velocity बताता है कि बॉडी तेजी से मूव कर रही है, स्लोली मूव कर रही है या फिर रेस्ट पे है, isn't it? So acceleration कम हो जाएगा अगर हम मास को बढ़ाते हुए जाएंगे. ओके, सो इनर्शिया उस बॉडी की ज्यादा होगी जिसकी मास ज्यादा होगी. बट इन केस ऑफ मोमेंट ऑफ इनर्शिया it depends upon mass of course, but it also depends upon mass distribution as well. Okay, so moment of inertia about an axis of rotation. So हमेशा about an axis of rotation. Let us consider this is a rigid body and let's say this is the axis of rotation, and this rigid body is rotating about this axis of rotation xy. All right, then if I change the mass distribution of the body or the location of the axis of rotation, then the moment of inertia will also change. ठीक है, समझ में आ गया मैं क्या बोल रहा हूं आपको? Not only the mass of the body, अगर मैं इसका axis of rotation भी change कर दूं तो location of axis of rotation भी change कर दूं तो भी इसका moment of inertia बदल जाएगा. Why? Because it is depending upon the mass distribution as well. Now let us calculate the value of moment of inertia. Okay,